One of the best process, best day of the inner awakening. Please understand, in these 21 days, I will say some 3-4 days are the best days. Means just in the 3-4 days, your Kundalini energy awakens so much. The cleansing happens in your system so much. All the 21 are best days, that is different. All the 21 are best days of your life. These 4 days are, these 3-4 days are the best days of inner awakening. I can say bestest days. When we are going to work on past life regression, when we are going to work on death. Actually, I'll be guiding you, then push you to death, then to the past life, and step by step, I'll be leading to a different space of completion. So in this, I can say that bestest days, 4 days. If I have to choose 4 days, that will be today, Samskara Dahana Kriya, and when we work on death, and when we work on your past life regression, past life. And the day we form, we bring you to the completion with the Timili. Means when you learn to be in the space of completion with everything around you. These 4 days I can say, it's the bestest of inner awakening. Of course, every day some celebration, something goes on. Understand, today is going to be the unique and a powerful process. See, it's like each pain you have in your life is like one wound. With a pus, you covered it. You put a nice carpet on it and sprayed a room freshener, scent, everything. But as it healed, no. It is there. That is why if anybody walks on the carpet, you are boiling inside. Because under the carpet, your own wounds are there. Like that, you see anybody in your life, inside that agitation. Every wound you carry, it might have been the anger with your younger brother, but you will be showing it on your boss. Please understand. The wound might have been created by the incompletion with your younger brother. But you are not logically that powerful to show that only on your younger brother. You overreact for your boss because of that wound and incompletion with your younger brother. How many of you understand what I am saying? Your younger brother created that incompletion at the age of when you were 12. And now he may not even be living with you, may not even be alive. Whether he is living with you or not, even whether he is alive or not, that doesn't matter. But you will be showing that incompletion and anger to your boss with whom you have to live. How many of you think this has happened experientially in your life? Showing the wound of somebody on others. Raise your hand, let me see. The only solution is not to leave any wound inside, any incompletion inside. Not to leave any incompletion inside, any wound inside. The only way is doing completion with every painful, physical, mental, psychological, emotional. Physical, all of you know, if you are hurt. Mental, whenever what you want does not happen. whatever you want, if it is not happening the way you want, then comes mental pain. And emotional, if you are not respected, if you have been cheated, if your trust is breached, that is emotional. And psychological, which is the confusion. Psychological pain means just confusion. You don't know why the pain is, what is the pain is. For no reason you are depressed. The moment it becomes evening, 8 o'clock, you are depressed. Why? Nobody knows. The moment it becomes morning 9 o'clock, you are stressed. Even if it is not working day, holiday, you are stressed. Even on the holiday, you have to remind yourself it is holiday, it is not working day, so don't be stressed. How many of you experience this? Raise your hand. So just because of time, you go through the same stupidity. That is psychological pains. Whatever pain you went through in your life, go back to the root pattern. From root pattern, whatever you remember, relive in your inner space and pen down. Relive in your inner space and pen down. Relive again in your inner space and pen down. From the root pattern started till today morning, whatever you went through, pen down. How many of you are ready for it? But I tell you, you will become a just new being. It is like I'll wipe out the whole slate. You will be a new slate. Recall each and every incident. First, listen. Relive in your inner space. Then use the mirror, relive and pen down. Or you can relive in your inner space, pen down, then relive in the mirror. But all three has to happen. Reliving inside, penning down, reliving again in the mirror. All three has to happen. Do not censor anything. Do not avoid any incident. Write each and every incident. How many hours do you guys think you need? All right. As a first installment, I give you 5 hours. Now it's almost 10 o'clock. 9:50. Let us keep it as 10. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 5 hours. Between, you can pick up your lunch and eat and write both. Or you can just finish lunch in between few minutes. Tea you can just finish in few minutes. We will not have separate tea break, lunch break. Is it okay for all of you? Clear? So don't worry. One more thing I commit with you again. Whatever you relive and pen down, I'll clear it. I'll burn it away. I'll burn them away. Whatever you relive and pen down, I'll burn them away, and their effects on you, I'll burn them away. Relax. Pen down. Please go ahead.
Today when I'm completing in the mirror, I'm finding my vision is getting blurred, and suddenly I'm thinking about some other incident.
That is what, suffering, interfering, just too much coming out, and you just messing up with your own self. That is okay. All this let it happen. See, even she came and said, "Now this whole music, it's like I'm boiling. It is nothing but happening inside. It has to go through. You have to go through this."
My mind is putting me into a pleasant incident instead.
That is what, because it doesn't want to face anymore how much it will face. So don't worry. Go ahead. See, even so many people coming and speaking itself is nothing but you are not able to handle. You just want to come and tell something. Nobody who came and spoke anything logically. No, really. All the questions you guys asked, I answered before starting the session. I have given such detailed instruction before the session. And no question was something which I have not explained before I started the session. How many of you understand that? It is just they are not able to handle, so they come and tell something, I also listen, that's all. Now I am sitting here just to listen and heal you, help you, support you and lubricate you to go through the process. That's why I am sitting here, encourage you and make you walk through in this and clean you. So otherwise, whatever questions you asked, it's all just already I answered. But it's okay, I'll answer.
I'm really scared that life is full of painful incidents, and I can't completely explain.
See, life is full of painful incident because we did not learn to handle it. See, it's like a person who does not know driving. For that person, road is full of accidents. But who knows driving, for them, it is not full of, road is not full of accidents. So I'm going to teach you driving now.
Right,
I'm going to teach you the completion, so don't worry.
Yeah, but the garbage is too much to put out. So
That what I am saying, if you are going to clean only, it is too much to put out. You are only going to name it. I am going to burn it out.
okay.
So you
Thank
do
you.
it.
Thank you.
I'll really do it, don't worry. I understand, I'll really do it.
Person that I was with, kind of in a fantasy way, because that's how I saw them back then, because I described them as a witch. And it's not really realistically how I describe how they were, but that's how I felt. Is that okay?
Whatever you experienced, whether it is realistically correct or not, you pen down.
Okay. Thank you.
Complete it with the mirror.
No. You can complete inside and then complete with the mirror and then write down also.
Yeah. But when I'm completing within me and then writing it down, I don't feel that it is an incompletion to complete it with the mirror. I like,
You don't have to feel it as an incompletion, just relive in mirror.
But I feel that complete dissociation by that time. Swamiji. Why is it?
It's okay. Relive once more in the mirror. Because sometimes just to get rid of the work or laziness, you don't want to feel that as incompletion. Relive.
It's not memories, but just thoughts that are always in my mind that are just always disruptive.
Yes,
How do I
you can pen down even those thoughts.
But how do
Just
I relive
individual
it?
thoughts.
How do I relive that in the mirror?
No, that is okay. You just pen down those thoughts individually. You don't need to relive them.
Okay.
But sometimes when I start writing, like a bunch of memories come up, and I'll write down like too many things, and then get really overwhelmed when I'm trying to look in the mirror and like complete with them. And now that we have not that much time left, I'm wondering like, should I go back over what I wrote and make sure that I like did it really thoroughly, or because new memories keep coming up now too, and I'm just like,
No, I think don't worry about the time. I can go on extending. Please, whatever comes up, pen down.
but like the things that came up, like for example, I would write down like a few sentences about something, but then it would kind of connect.
No,
with something
you will
else.
have time to complete with them also. So don't worry.
Should I go back to those now, or just keep
No,
with the new things?
keep writing the new things which is coming up.
Okay.
Thoughts in both the eyes or else in any one of the eyes? Do we need to relive the thoughts in any one of the eye or else?
The eyes will get into the both eyes. And the mirror you are going to visualize, that's all.
Because
See the mirror like a TV, that's all.
okay.
Physical ailments separately. The physical pains you went through, memories and all that. They may not be directly connected to psychological or emotional, mental pain. But separately they will be completed.
So whatever problem we have now will also disappear.
Yes.
Okay, so
That is what I am saying. The permanent damages done to your body and mind by the root pattern will be cleared. Go ahead. Please go ahead.
Swamiji, this is the first time I am doing this in your presence. Previously, I struggled in the last 6 months to find out the root pattern incident. But 2 days ago, the one which I found, so far I might have done, 100 times completion for it. I still feel like doing.
I'll pull it out, don't worry.
And then every time I wrote year by everything, and whatever was looking painful before, now, yeah, they are painful, I am writing, but still they look trivial in front of my original thing. And I've been praying Mahadeva now to give completion to all the 4 involved in that incident. So, do you think I really got that actual incident? I do not know.
I can say that you got the actual incident. The completion will start happening now.